Welcome to our latest update on the Compass Margaritaville Hotel in Flagler Beach, presented by Flagler Beach TV and the Landmark Group. As our drone captures the bustling activity below, you can see the hotel's framing stage coming along impressively. Each day, the structure becomes more pronounced, gradually taking its place as a new landmark on our scenic coastline. One of the most significant aspects of the construction is the large crane dominating the site. This essential tool plays a vital role in the hotel's development, lifting and positioning heavy structural elements. Its operation has led to some rerouting of local traffic, especially around South Central. We appreciate everyone's patience and understanding, as these changes are crucial for the safety of the construction process. Looking down at the crew on the ground, we're reminded of the hard work and dedication that go into a project of this magnitude. It's their skill and commitment that's bringing the Compass Margaritaville Hotel to life. Watching the construction evolve day by day is a testament to their tireless efforts. From this unique aerial perspective, the future of the hotel begins to take shape. Remember, the construction phase is not permanent. Once completed, the Compass Margaritaville Hotel will stand as a testament to the growth and development of Flagler Beach, offering a new destination for both locals and visitors. We thank you for joining us for this update, brought to you by Flagler Beach TV and the Landmark Group. Stay tuned for more insights and progress reports as we closely follow the transformation of Flagler Beach with the addition of the Compass Margaritaville Hotel.